Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Suhail Tech Info, and today's video is usually for those people who have issues with Suhail MD pairing code. So just to follow the steps that I cover in this video. First of all, open your forked repository in browser. Look, I have forked from Suhail MD man repository. You can follow the steps in a mobile or laptop. Then click on sync fork to get latest changes from the repository. Just click on it. Now I have got the latest changes from the main repository. Look at just 6 minutes before, and after that click on this pairing code button. After that you will redirect to this site. So just wait a little bit. Here is you need to follow the steps. Click on another article. Again click on another article. Here I am not a robot. Verify you are human. Click on verify button. Here you will see another page is loading. Here click on another article. Time is completed. Click on another article button. Again another article and go to another article. After that you will redirect another page. Wait and click on another article. Here you will see another timer. Just wait till this complete. Click on another article button and again click and go to another article. Here it says your link is almost ready. Just click on get link button. Click on use template button. Here you will see green use template button. Again use template below button. Now this repository created for you. You can click on this run button to install packages and run the code. You can see here asking for your phone number. Enter your phone number here. After I enter your number, here is verifying your number and your pairing code is ready. Now use this pairing code to connect with Suhail MD WhatsApp bot. Here is your pairing code. After that you will store this link or for later use or delete this repository. This is the today's video. So just follow these steps.